Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the Bosma X Pro outdoor security camera. In the box, you'll get a user manual, the camera unit, USB Type-C cable, wall anchors, screws and cable clips, an installation sticker, a drill bit, and a power adapter. The Bosma X Pro is a line of indoor and outdoor security cameras that have advanced functions, such as enhanced AI facial recognition, fully customizable detection zone and sensitivity, 110 decibel siren, color night vision, and a separate available hub that allows users to add different accessories to the unit so they can build a customizable and fully secured home surveillance system while also providing local storage capabilities in the case the customer does not want a subscription. The Bosma X Pro most iconic function is the automatic rotatable base. This base allows the camera to auto-track and detect any person, pet, or vehicle, thereby providing 24 hours a day, 7 days a week effective surveillance of a wide area. It also comes ready to install with a very user-friendly approach to mounting. It is IP66 rated for both water and dust, preparing it for battling the forces of nature as it stands guard. The app itself functions quite well, providing a very attractive interface. It walks you through selecting the model you are wanting to pair to it and walks you through the steps of getting the job done. There are several features that Bosma packed into this unit to make it stand out above the competition. First on the list is auto-tracking. This feature will detect people moving within the camera's field of view. Auto-tracking allows the X Pro to lock onto people and keeps the camera pointed in their direction. For porch pirates and others, this feature will demonstrate that the camera is watching, and when it activates, you'll get an alert. Second on the list is manual control. You can control your camera remotely from the Bosma app. Next on the list is the anti-theft alert. Because the X Pro is easy to install and remove, it might be tempting for would-be thieves to reach up and try to snatch the camera from its mount. With the anti-theft alert, the camera will wail like a 110 decibel banshee if someone tries to swipe it. In addition to theft detection, you can also configure this siren to alert you if other types of events occur. Finally, the Bosma X Pro also offers an auto spotlight to illuminate dark areas when motion is detected, a loitering alert to warn you if someone is overstaying their welcome, and an activity zone to help reduce unwanted notifications. This camera has a great night vision range. You can see distant objects in total darkness. You can adjust camera volume and resolution in the app, and take snapshots of the current image. These snapshots, much like recorded video, are automatically saved to the photo library. As for settings, you can adjust everything from the single settings screen, included auto tracking, auto person detection, and even night vision. The feature set here is very robust, and folks who like complete control over the finer nuances of their camera will appreciate everything being in a single place.